Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the analysis and detailed view of Larry's Labs. Friends, the world present facing major problems are diabetes and cancer, that means oncology, and another one is BPs. These are the three major things that India and world also facing. So in our main thing, these are the major businesses also in pharma. And now up to now in this advanced technologies also, there is no 100% cure for cancers also. And friends, the Larry's Labs which keeping their money on R&D research, and they are going to diversify their businesses, and they came with new acquisitions of biotechnologies. And friends, next we are going to see it given a good December all round performance in December quarter, sharp improvements in margins, and long term growth, which we are going to see by their ROC, return on investment. They are keeping their money again in their new acquisitions and new plant manufacturings and contract manufacturings. And friends, Larry's Labs on both management side and the number of drivers for growth also increasing. So we are thinking that this Larry's Labs will be moved to 2.0, that means diversified into another vertical. Why? Because last January, this January, so the January in this quarter, the biotechnologies which the company acquired also taken into consideration of their financial growths also. So we expect the first phase of diversification. Larry's Labs transformed itself from active pharmaceutical ingredient. This is the first topic we pick this Larry's Labs to a vertically integrated formulation company. In the next leg, uh, 5 3 to 5 years, the company going to see the sharp increase in its biotechnologies, contract manufacturings, and therapeutic areas of oncology, diabetes, and cardiovascular. These are the three main things I spoke in this video at the earlier stages. Friends, there are huge number of people who are going to suffering with this diabetes, oncology, and cardiovascular. So the company mainly investing R&D on these three areas. And at the initial stages also I mentioned, friends, on every quarterly results, the sharp fall happening in Larry's Labs. We are seeing this from past 2 quarters. Friends, at that time, all are kept that there is no money for Larry's Labs for further growth, like that. So the stock went to 254 in that area, and it again moved up. In my view, the present selling is not for bad thing, it is good thing. Why, friends? We have to add more. We know the company growth and we know the company movement. So in my view, 330 is the support for the stock, and we can add below 340. In between these range, the stock will move forward. But friends, we have to strut on this stock. Cat trust. Earlier it moved from 260 to how much levels you seen, 385. Our first target 370 reached and crossed also, and our main target 400. But the targets of this company after results increased to 470. So friends, see, just accumulate the stock present in this situation. Fresh entries also possible. And going further, we can see the trend of segment sales. That means they are going to forecast the total up to year on year 2023 up to that level, they are expecting the good increase in its what you call cross margins and profits also. So friends, we expect one thing that this will reach 470, but it will take some time. And they see in individual breakup of the segments of Laris Labs. First friends, on December quarter, the API boosted by double. It seen 55% of sales and 63% growth in synthesis. And friends, contract development and manufacturing also good. So 10% of sales comes from this area and 47% growth in fixed dose formulations. And friends, we are expecting the company which is manufacturing their API businesses, antiretroviral and their higher margin from this stock. And oncology APIs seen 37% growth. Friends, I am expecting this sharp increases in the share value, and their businesses going forward also will increase. Why? Because due to most companies coming to India, the people also will come to India. So from other countries also they will move to India. With this we expect there is a good generation of this type of this type of what you called increase in sales. So we expect the company will reach further, friends. So this is our view on Laris Labs. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.